Today, I am honored to speak about the Indian Constitution, the supreme law of our nation. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950, a date we proudly celebrate as Republic Day. To honor its adoption, 26 November is observed as Constitution Day every year. The Constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and is the longest written national constitution in the world. It establishes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic, ensuring equality and justice for all. Remarkably, the original 1950 constitution is preserved in a helium-filled case at the Parliament Library in New Delhi, symbolizing its enduring significance. It replaced the Government of India Act of 1935, transforming the Dominion of India into the Republic of India. One of its key features is universal adult suffrage, allowing every citizen aged 18 and above to vote, reinforcing the democratic principles of our nation. Additionally, Article 368 empowers the Parliament to amend the Constitution, making it a living document that evolves with the needs of the people. The Constitution also includes special provisions to protect minorities and weaker sections, ensuring an inclusive society. Furthermore, fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment in 1976, reminding every citizen of their responsibilities toward the nation. The Indian Constitution is more than a legal framework. It reflects the aspirations, dreams, and unity of our people. Let us honor this remarkable document by upholding its values in our daily lives. Thank you.